Yeah, what's going on, guys? Well, I promised a surprise. This is not the original surprise, but you know, what's better than one MGB is two of them. I ended up getting this last night. Thanks to Russ for helping me go get it. Thank you to Rick and Dorothy. I appreciate them selling me this. This is a 77 MGB. So we got ourselves another one. So, and I want to thank their kids for helping us load it, and them for helping us load it. So, what we got, and after, I'll tell you the story about how, I was going to get another one, and things kind of fell through on that one, so, but this, in my opinion, is in pretty good shape. What I'm thinking, what I was originally thinking before I went and saw it the first time, I was thinking it was in pretty good shape for me to flip it. But after talking with Rick and Dorothy, hearing their story about how they got it and things like that, I thought it was pretty cool. So I think I'm going to keep it. We'll take you on long. It doesn't run. Everything's there. One of the reasons why I really did like this is everything is there. There's nothing missing. So I'm actually very, very happy. I like it. We're gonna have fun with this one. There's a couple of things. Probably do the headlight or the tail lights. The door gap right here. We're gonna have to fix that. It really should be there. Even there, it's sticking out a little bit too far. We got to fix the rust down here. That doesn't look too bad. Patch, but mirror. As far as the other side goes, we'll clean up the rims. It doesn't have brakes, so I got to fix that. Got ourselves a tape deck. That's awesome. This side we got a lot of work to do with the rocker. We got to find out what's going on with that. But as far as that, everything seems to be pretty solid. Side markers. So we'll head out to the junkyard, the MGB junkyard, and we'll get all the bits and bobs that we need for this. We'll show you the first start. Last night I ended up checking the battery to see whether or not we could get a charge or anything like that on it. That's a no-go. It had 0.1 volts on it, and when I tried to charge it, the charger would automatically shut off. So get a new battery for it today. I'm pretty sure I've got fuel line for that, to fix that, and then we'll see whether or not it cranks over. But surprise. So we got a couple of things to do, but surprise, this is what the surprise was going to be. This isn't the original one, but I still like it. It's pretty cool. So also Rick and Dorothy, they make glass, jewelry, and They work with a lot of glass and things like that. So what I think I may do, if I can get a hold of them again, because they did want to see a video on this, because I told them I was going to make a video. So if they've got a website or anything like that, I'm going to leave a link in the description. Check them out. They actually travel all around the country, selling their jewelry and their, you know, their art and things like that. So I thought that was pretty cool too. And they said they've been doing that for years. You know, maybe this can actually persuade them to do a YouTube channel as well, and we can watch them go around the country selling their glass. That would be pretty cool. I'd subscribe to them. So if they're watching, thank you very much. And we will, hopefully in the next video, we'll be able to turn this thing over, see what it does, see if we're getting spark, things like that. So, alright guys, peace.